Hi all, hope you all are doing good. So what we are going to learn in today's video is we'll install Docker and then we'll try to install n8n image, which is a framework for us to build an agentic workflows. So today's installation, after that we will do various number of automations and workflows. So with that mentioned, what you do is open browser and then search for download Docker desktop. The whole purpose of Docker is that you don't have to you install any number of setups or tools. You don't have to manage inside your system. Docker will manage it for you. So you click on Docker desktop Windows or whichever is relevant to you. So once you click it, you can download it. So I have already downloaded it, so I'm not downloading it. Okay, then I'm closing it. But you select your relevant thing and you try to download, and then we'll try to install the Docker desktop. So in my system I've already installed it, but for your reference you double click on it and fill out fill out what all details it asking. Just say next, 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 and make sure the drive in which you are installing, okay, it has yeah. So I got the dialog box saying, do you want to replace current version of Docker, because I've already installed one. Okay, so I said no and I canceled my Docker desktop installation. But you click on next, next, next. The only thing you need to keep in mind is you select the drive to install where you have sufficient memory, because when you install images, okay, for few, okay, we'll do image and then we'll see. So how does it look like? So let me open Docker. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Okay, now what you do when you come to images and you don't have any image, then you'll get a button here itself. Otherwise you can see a search symbol on top, right? You go there and maybe you search for Postgres or you search for, let's say, nginx. Wait for a second. When you search this, okay, it will show it in a minute. Okay, you can similarly you can do n8n, and when you do n8n io / n8n colon latest, you will get a pull button. So pull means it will download it for you by fetching the image from the hub to your local. Okay, so let's see this. So when you have something new, instead of download, you will get pull. So when you click on pull, it will be you can see it in your images. Okay, so images are simply a file. It won't be in a running state. Okay, so when you want to run it, this play button, you click on it. So when you click, it will start running it for you. Okay, so when it's running, it will show up in the containers. So when you go in container, you can see, oh, it's now a green state, means it's running state. Should I stop, should I delete, whatever you want, you can do. And if you face any issues, you go to image, and I mean you delete the container, you come to image and start again. Okay, so as soon as you keep install a container of n8n, it will run the full setup in our system, and finally the output that we can see is this kind of thing. uh, so in my localhost 5678, I can see it is installed. So I can create any number of workflows because it's in my local. I can do any type of experimentation, and I need not to pay. That's the best part, because you are running in your local and you are in your POC or learning phase. Okay, so do this setup and then we'll do various number of workflows. So with that mention, thank you.